Are you using AI to help you study? Maybe you should. I've tested ChatGPT as a study assistant. I tried 5 main applications for the AI tool and graded them from 1 to 10, with 1 being poor and 10 being awesome in terms of performance and helpfulness. Watch till the end to see what I found. By the way, if we haven't met before, my name is Ioannis and I'm a law lecturer in London, UK. If you're after awesome free study support videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get back to why you're here, evaluating AI. I asked ChatGPT to perform 5 tasks. First, to draft an answer to a question on a business and law topic. Second, improve a text. Third, summarize a text. Fourth, offer a bullet point summary. And fifth, translate some text. In answering the question, the bot did okay but not great. What it produced lacked references and demonstrated very shallow knowledge of the content. It also made mistakes. You should think twice before using the AI tool to draft entire essays. I only scored it 3 out of 10 in answering the question. When I asked the bot to improve on some text I had written, however, it did a terrific job. English is not my first language, and the text I used was from a student essay of mine. At the time, my language skills were poorer than they are now, I hope. The AI improved my text without altering meaning. It made it communicate more effectively than before, 10 out of 10 for reworking the text. Strangely, in summarizing text, the bot did not do as well as I had hoped. It missed important points and nuance in its output. For this, I scored it 6 out of 10. The AI's ability to create bullet points out of the provided text was similar to its ability to summarize. The bullet points offered were relevant, but the bot still missed emphasis on what was important. For this task, I scored it 7 out of 10. Finally, translation. I asked the bot to turn an English text into modern Greek. Performance here was poor, suggesting that ChatGPT narrative abilities are excellent in English but lacking in other languages. Google Translate offered a much superior translation of the same text. For this, I scored the bot 3 out of 10. I did ask ChatGPT to tell me how it can be used to assist in studying law. It responded that it can assist in generating ideas and drafting essays. By inputting a topic or a question into the chat box, the chat can provide you with suggestions on how to structure your essay or what points to include. ChatGPT can also help with proofreading and editing, highlighting potential errors, or suggesting alternative phrasing. This, in fact, it can do. AI can be your proofreader and critical friend. But then it went further. The bot said, in addition to essay writing, ChatGPT can provide information on a range of legal topics. Whether you're looking for case law, legislation, or general legal concepts, ChatGPT can help to provide quick and accurate answers. Here, the bot is lying to you. It cannot do this at a level of accuracy that you can trust. What is the outcome, therefore? My overall score for ChatGPT as a study assistant is 6 out of 10, a useful tool, but not yet the answer to all your problems. Are you worried that AI will steal your jobs regardless? Watch this video next on what to do about it.